हेलो बच्चों, देखते हैं एक्सरसाइज 1.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। यहाँ पे हम लोग आज डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन इज हियर, रेशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। ओके, सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू डू रेशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर्स और हियर in the question number first there is a first part is 1 by root 7. So we are going to rationalize the denominators here. So denominator, this is root 7, so you need to just multiply root 7 with numerator and denominator. When you multiply 1 into root 7, it will be root 7, and root 7 into root 7, it will be equals to 7. So answer is root 7 by 7. Now see the second part of this question. Second part of this question is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. It means when you rationalize the denominator, you need to just multiply this with 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. So ये क्या है यहाँ पे a minus b और a plus b. Yes, when you multiply a minus b, a plus b, what you will get here? See, 1 into root 7 plus root 6, it will be equals to root 7 plus root 6. But a minus b, a plus b, it is equals to a square minus b square. So here a square is root 7 and b square is root 6. So you need to just square and write in the form of, like we can write here a minus b, and a plus b is equals to a minus b, a square minus b square. So when you, according to this format, when you solve it, we will get root 7 ka square, it means root 7 plus root 6. Above part will be same. Root 7 square, it is equals to 7 minus 6 square, root 7, 6 square is equals to 6. So when you subtract 6 from 7, you will get here 1. So answer will be root 7 plus root 6. Now see the third part of this question. Third part is here, wait, that is 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. Okay, so again use the a plus b and a minus b format here. Again root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. When you do it, you will get root 5 minus root 2 upon a square minus b square. It means root 5 square minus root 2 square. When you do square of these roots, you will get the number same, root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 square, it means equals to 5. Root 2 square, it is equals to 2. So answer will be root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2, it is equals to 3. Now see the fourth part of this question, that is 1 upon root 7 minus 2. यहाँ पे क्या है, ओनली 7 के साथ रूट है, बट प्रोसेस विल बी सेम. वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर विद द सेम डिजिट लाइक दिस वे. root 7 minus 2, again make the combination here a minus b, a plus b, so root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 plus 2. When you solve it, root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 square, a square here, root 7 square, and b is here act as a 2, so 2 ka square, you will get here root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 square is equals to 7 minus 2 square is equal to 4. So answer will be here root 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 4, it is equals to 3. So answer this question this. See the next question in next video. Like and